Welcome to Home of Math. Today's topic trigonometry. Here 3 questions we try to solve today. First question. Here is, in a right angle triangle, the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter and adjacent side to theta is 12 centimeter. Find out the value of theta. So first, look, this is our right angle triangle. So first one is hypotenuse is 13 centimeter. So here is 13 centimeter. This one is theta and adjacent value is 12 centimeter, and find out the theta. So here we use the cosine ratio. Which is cosine theta equals to adjacent divide high O and look, this value is 12 and hypotenuse value is 13. So cos theta equals to 12 by 13. Now use the inverse cosine function which is theta equals to cosine inverse divide here is times 12 by 13. Now how you use or how you find out the value? We have to use scientific calculator. Now we use this one. First, look, here we use shift button, then here is inverse cosine. So value is what? 12 divide 13, then we will close bracket equal, the value is 22.62 degree. Look, we have to make ensure we should use degree sign. If you use this one 22.62, the answer will be wrong. So don't forget use a degree sign. Okay, so we already find out our result, which is 22.62 degree. So here main thing is adjacent divide hypotenuse. Okay, so our first question done. Now second one. Here in a right angle triangle, the opposite side to theta is 5 centimeter and the adjacent side is 12 centimeter. Find out the theta. So here is also use the right angle triangle. We will find out the theta, and here the opposite side of side to theta is 5 centimeter. So this one is opposite side, which is 5 centimeter, and adjacent side is 12 centimeter. Find out the theta. So here we use tangent ratio. So which is tan theta equal, we know the value is opposite divide adjacent. So here is 5 divide 12 and this is tan theta. Now we need to find out theta, so we can use the inverse tangent function. So theta equal tan inverse 5 divide 12. Okay, so here is also I'm going to use calculator. So first we press shift, then tan inverse, the value is 5 divide 12, we close bracket, answer is 22.62, similar like previous one, 22.62 degree. Okay, this is our answer. So here is 3 question. First one is 22.62 degree, then 22.62 degree, and third one, find the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle where the opposite side is 8 centimeter and theta is 30 degree. So we use a right angle, so first theta 30 degree, find out the hypotenuse. So we will find out this one, and where the opposite side, so this one opposite side is this, so it's 8 centimeter. So answer, we use the sine ratio, sine theta equal opposite divide hypotenuse. So here is sine 30 degree equals to opposite is 8 and hypotenuse. So sine 30 degree we know 0.5 and here is 8 HYP. So HYP equals to what? 8 divide 0.5. Okay, so in this case result is 16. Okay, so here is 16. So this is our third question answer. hope you understand this one. Here is 16. So no more today. We already try to find out the answer, first one, second one, and third one. So if you have any question, just put in your comments at comment box, and don't forget subscribe the channel. Thank you.